Well, hi everybody. This is your staying home grandma, and I am bringing you the Idyewant magnet mirrors and magnet picture frames, rather. I'm sorry, I'm getting sleepy. There are 6 in here. There is one orange one black one, I believe it's black, one blue one yellow one purple one, and one pink one. And these actually, you can put a picture in it and you can put them on the refrigerator. But I'm an artist, so I'm going to do something else with these, and you'll see them. And I'll put a couple of picture frames on the refrigerator for sure, because I've got plenty of pictures of the kids and stuff. But I'm going to do some other things with them, probably of all my family, because I really like these. I'm probably hanging them up in the art room somewhere because I'm still cleaning the art room up. So again, these are the Idyewant 6 picture frames, magnetic. If you like these, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.